Hello beautiful souls and welcome to today's video. I'm so excited because we will be making this Dreamcatcher mobile / chandelier. It's a really fun project to make, and if you guys are new, you guys can check out my channel. I have a whole bunch of DIY videos and a whole bunch of Dreamcatcher tutorials, so you guys can check that out. And before we jump into the video, please give it a big like and subscribe. Also, if you guys would like a custom order, just check out my Instagram. I would love to make you a custom made Dreamcatcher. And yeah, let's get into the video. To begin weaving the web, we're just going to tie the string to the hoop at any place you would like and just tie a few knots. I like to do about a triple or maybe a quadruple knot just to make sure that it's nice and secure. So once you have that, you can snip the end slightly short but not too short. And then we're going to take the string, pull it around the hoop, down, and then through. Then you're going to take this loop and you're going to place it onto the first knot, just like that. So that's our connection to the hoop. So now we're going to start by actually weaving the web. So you go down, around, and through, like that. Then down, around, and through, like that, and try to keep the spacing even. So down, around, and through, down, around, and through. Next one, we're just going to pull through and then pull it down, and then loop it like that, and then down, around and through, and pull it like that, then down, around and through, then down, around and through. And you're just going to do this all the way around. I'm just going to speed it up. But once you get back around, you're just going to start looping in these ones.
Think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I own every rock and tree and creature. Has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you learn things you know.